If the only reason why you're staying in the relationship is because you don't want to hurt the person that you're with, stop fooling yourself. It is not that you love them too much to hurt them. It's that you're too much of a fucking coward to deal with the consequences. If you put all hope, all the lies that you keep telling yourself aside, and you are genuinely honest with yourself, if you no longer want to be with this person, have some respect and walk away. Sometimes things don't work out, and that's okay. That doesn't make you a bad person. But staying, lying, and stringing someone along, that does. The most important thing in life that we can never get back is time. Do not waste someone's time just because you are a coward. Food for thought.